Go to bed. E to go to bed, okay? Did you lock the front? Ay! No. Oh, tapos? Oy, oy, oy! Hindi ko naman alam yun ah. Tayo ng horror game na tinatawag na Go to Bed. So, wag na natin ito pa talaga rin. Let's go. Wow. Subject A. Gagawin natin dito, guys. Go to bed. Okay? Ooh, nice graphics. Go to bed. E to go to bed, okay? Did you lock the front? Ay! No. Oh, tapos? Oy, oy, oy! Hindi ko naman alam yun ah. Oh, come on. Kailangan pala natin saraduhin. Go to bed. Yeah, one. Okay. Kumain tayo sa saraduhin. Ito, check. Close the window. Okay, ano to? Okay. CCP front door. Yan, okay na ba? Lahat na ba? Wait lang. Oh, meron eh. Ano to? Hide knives. Okay, check. Saraduhin natin yan. Okay, let's go. Natin na mangyayari, guys. Did you lock the front door? Yes. Did you close? Yes. I won. May multo, ano, hindi na siya, ano. Home sim. Yes. Do you hide the knives? Yes. Naka-hide na. Yari. Well done. Oh. Oh! Natapos tayo. Yeah, that was so pretty nice, guys. Oh, bago mapa na naman tayo. Ano to? Okay, parang dapat ganun. Okay. Okay, check. 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 Okay, knives. Dapat mawala yan. Meron pa bang ano yung dito? Oh, ano to? Wow. Okay. See, guys. In the house. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. I'm 100. Oh. Good. Let's go. Subject C na tayo, guys. Where am I? How did get I? Wow, ano? Holy my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Where are we? I need to leave now. Lock. Where am I? Oh, you guys. Oh, dead body. Key, guys. I think we open that one lock. May door dito. Tapos, tingnan natin. Oh, nakakatakot to ah. I-climb. I need to find a way out. Okay. Find a way out. Find a way out. Going go. Oh. Shut the check for alarm. Where's the alarm? Gagawin! This one? Maybe back downstairs. Whoa. Whoa! Thanks for playing. Yun lang? Oh well, hanggang dun lang po guys. Di naman siya nakakatakot. Di ako nagulat. Parang ano lang siya guys, yung hindi nang gugulat yung mga ibang games. So hanggang dito na lang po. Salamat naman po sa panonood. Sorry po kung maikli lang ang video to. Kaya like and subscribe guys for more videos. Bye bye mga tropa. Di nakakatakot guys. Subscribe.